Living frugally doesn't mean depriving yourself of the things that make life enjoyable. It's about making smarter financial choices that allow you to save more and spend less. In fact, by adopting some extreme frugal living tips, you can save thousands of dollars a year without feeling like you're sacrificing too much. These strategies might seem a bit unconventional, but if you're serious about cutting costs and building a more secure financial future, they can make a huge difference. One of the most effective ways to live frugally is to embrace the power of buying secondhand. Instead of purchasing brand new clothes, furniture, or appliances, consider buying used items from thrift stores, online marketplaces, or garage sales. You'd be surprised by the quality of the items you can find for a fraction of the price. Plus, buying secondhand reduces waste, which is a win for your wallet and the environment. For things like clothing, you can often find high-quality, gently used pieces for a fraction of what you'd pay at a retail store. Another extreme frugal tip is to cut down on your utility bills by being mindful of your energy use. Turn off lights when you leave a room, unplug electronics when they're not in use, and invest in energy-efficient appliances. You can also lower your water bill by taking shorter showers, fixing leaks, and collecting rainwater for tasks like watering plants. These small changes can lead to significant savings over time without drastically affecting your lifestyle. If you're looking to save on food costs, one of the best tips is to cook everything from scratch and avoid prepackaged or convenience foods. Processed foods are not only more expensive but also less healthy. By planning your meals in advance, buying ingredients in bulk, and cooking at home, you can cut your grocery bill dramatically. Another great tip is to grow your own food. Even if you don't have a large yard, you can grow herbs, vegetables, or small fruits in containers or windowsills. Growing your own produce not only saves you money, but it also gives you fresher, healthier food. Another way to save big is by adopting a minimalist mindset when it comes to transportation. If you can, ditch your car altogether and use public transportation, bike, or walk whenever possible. The cost of owning a car, gas, insurance, maintenance, and repairs adds up quickly. If you need a car occasionally, consider using a sharing service or renting one for those rare occasions. If giving up your car isn't an option, try to drive less by carpooling, combining errands, and using fuel-saving driving techniques like driving at a steady speed and keeping your tires properly inflated. When it comes to housing, one extreme frugal living tip is to downsize. If you're living in a large home with more space than you need, consider moving to a smaller, more affordable place. Not only will this lower your rent or mortgage, but it will also reduce costs like heating, cooling, and maintenance. If you're really committed to saving, you could even explore alternative living arrangements like tiny homes, RV living, or house hacking, renting out part of your home to help cover your mortgage. In addition to saving on housing, you can cut down household expenses by making your own cleaning products. Store-bought cleaners can be expensive, but you can make effective, natural cleaners with ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. Not only are these homemade cleaners cheaper, but they're also free of harsh chemicals, making them safer for your home and the environment. For entertainment, embrace low-cost or free activities. Instead of paying for expensive outings like dining at restaurants or going to the movies, try hosting potluck dinners with friends, watching movies at home, or enjoying outdoor activities like hiking, biking, or visiting free museums. There are plenty of ways to have fun without spending much, and you might find that you enjoy these simple activities even more than costly alternatives. One frugal living tip that can save you thousands is your gift-giving habits. Instead of spending large amounts of money on gifts for birthdays, holidays, and special occasions, consider giving thoughtful, homemade gifts or experiences. For example, you could bake a cake, create a personalized photo album, or offer to babysit for free. These types of gifts are often more meaningful and appreciated than something store-bought, and they cost a lot less. You can also save money by cutting out unnecessary luxuries. Things like gym memberships, cable TV, or daily coffee shop visits can add up over time. Consider working out at home using free online videos, switching to a cheaper streaming service, or making coffee at home instead. These small sacrifices can lead to significant savings without drastically changing your lifestyle. Extreme frugality also involves finding ways to repurpose instead of buying new. For example, old clothes can be turned into cleaning, jars can be reused for storage, and leftover food can be turned into new meals. This not only saves money but also reduces waste, helping you live more sustainably. One area where you can save a lot of money is by cutting out debt. If you're carrying credit card debt or other high-interest loans, prioritize paying them off as quickly as possible. The interest you're paying on these debts is money that could be going toward other financial goals. By paying down your debts aggressively, you'll free up more of your income and reduce your financial stress. Another extreme frugal living tip is to make a habit of delaying purchases. Instead of buying something on impulse, wait a few weeks to see if you still want or need it. Often, you'll find that the urge to buy passes, and you realize you didn't really need the item after all. This simple habit can help you avoid unnecessary spending and save you over time. Lastly, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account each month, so you're consistently putting money without even thinking about it. This is one of the easiest ways to build your savings over time, and you won't even miss the money because it's gone before you have a chance to spend it. In summary, extreme frugal living isn't about making smarter choices with your money. By embracing strategies like buying secondhand, cutting down on utility costs, cooking at home, and reducing transportation expenses, you can save thousands of dollars a year while still enjoying a comfortable life. It's all about being mindful of your spending and finding ways to reduce costs without sacrificing the things that matter most to you.